how to find the clipboard on iPhone. So if you want to find the clipboard on your iPhone, then what you need to do is the first thing is you need to open up your notes, and here you need to type something. After typing, you need to tap on select all and then copy. And once you've copied, you can go with return, which is on the bottom right, and then you need to just go with paste. And in this way, you'll have your clipboard history or your clipboard text, right? But if you want to find your clipboard, you will also have another option. You can just simply go with your shortcuts application. After opening your shortcuts, you need to go with gallery, which is on the bottom right. And from your gallery, you need to go with search and search for clipboard. After searching for clipboard, if you scroll down, then you will have an option of adjust clipboard. So here you will have the adjust clipboard. You need to just simply tap on the plus and you need to add this shortcut. After adding this shortcut, you can go with done and then go back to your shortcuts tab, and here you will have adjust clipboard option. So you need to tap on it, and as you can see that you will have your clipboard contents. I've just copied this text and I have that text right here. That's how you can find your clipboard on your iPhone, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.